a lot of snow.
Yeah.
And I remember my mom always let me have my phone because she wanted to know if I was okay. You know, it was almost like so she could sleep at night, right? And so I have my phone still, and that guy Mike calls me at 11:30 at night. And man, that is where Jesus divinely intervened in my life. And I ended up talking to him. He asked me what I was doing. I immediately cried. You know, just and I was just holding that all, you know, in. And he happened to be with a guy named Mark, who was the CEO of Burning Tree at the time, where I went to treatment. And Mark and Mike got me a scholarship, you know,